Let's continue our lecture, which devoted to application of mathematical methods, in particular derivatives in mathematical models, in particular, for example, in medicine. Derivatives of function are used in mathematical models. There are many mathematical models for description of various phenomena in nature, in particular in medicine. For example, the simple models, unknown function plus given function is equals to 0. It is necessary to find the solution of these equation at boundary conditions. The meaning of unknown function at point 0 is equals to u0, and the unknown function at point 1 is equals to u1. This is typical mathematical model with derivative of function. We is equals to of x is a known function. There are more complex mathematical models where we can use derivative of function, ordinary derivative equations with partial derivatives, equations with partial derivatives. There are three types of such derivatives. For example, in order to find that heat changing, it is necessary to solve such equations. Unknown function temperature field is equals to the first derivative of x, coefficients x plus f. These equations is called heat transfer equations. It is necessary to find the unknown function temperature field, which depends on coordinate and time. There another application of derivatives, elliptic types of derivatives. Such derivatives plus f is equals to 0. For example, in one-dimensional case, Laplacian is equals to the second derivative of unknown function. This equation is called elliptic type equations. In the case of two-dimensional, it is necessary to add such operate dy to the second power, etc. It is elliptic type of equations. Such equations are widely used in various directions. For example, in medicine, in order to describe the blood motion in arteria, plus wave equations of such types, the second derivative of u divided by, with respect to time, is equals to coefficients derivative of u with respect to x to the second plus f. These equations is called as hyperbolic equations. It is necessary to find the unknown function which depends on x and time if we know initial boundary conditions. About application of derivatives. For example, there are very interesting model which is called theory of elasticity. Theory of elasticity. About application of derivative theory of elasticity. What this means? This part of continuum mechanics devoted to the definition of stress and strain in construction under the external loading, and it is very important application of mathematical models. Some words about application of mathematical models in medicine. For example, the motion of blood in arteria. For example, with cross, where is cross section? Cross section. This is very interesting. Of application continual models, fluid mechanics models. It is necessary to find the velocity of motion. Sometimes in this domain we have turbulence phenomena. This motion depends on viscosity, and it is necessary to find the pressure. Blood pressure is very interesting. As you know, the pressure is very important characteristics of patients. Plus application of mathematics in models for description of infection propagation. For example, mathematical models are widely used in diagnostic problems. It is a good application of mathematical models. What means diagnostic problems? If we know the history of patients, for example, 100 histories, it is necessary to introduce the initial conditions of patients and diagnostic results. It is a real situation. After such studying of the computer program, it is possible to introduce information about the new patients, and we give the good diagnostic solution. Computer program allows to find the diagnostic solution for concrete patients. And finally, statistic methods. Statistic methods are widely used. Statistics methods plus probability, theory of probability methods are widely used in all directions of, for example, medicine. Statistic methods is application of probability theory for data analysis. Probability theory for data analysis. And it is very interesting to note that in our country, several years ago, by the order of Minister of Education, Mr. Livanov, the new course, which is called Statistic Methods in Scientific Investigation, was introduced for all specialties or postgraduate students in Russian Federation, because statistical methods is general methods for data analysis. I suppose it is enough at first approximation about application of derivatives of function in scientific research.